Right guys, what's going on? Ben here today. As you can see, Diet Coke. Really trying to chug this without burping. I already tried a challenge before this. I did the Mentos and Diet Coke challenge. So I had to try and eat these Mentos and then drink Coke. Nothing happened, so it was a massive fail. So I'm not going to upload that. So what I've done, I have some Pepsi in my fridge. So I poured it in to the Diet Coke and filled it up so it's a full bottle. So yeah, I guess we could just call it Diet Coke at least. So yeah, this is a 1.5 litre bottle. Haven't had much to eat today, and by the way guys, I was about to say Merry Christmas. Like that about late Christmas. But yeah, happy Easter everyone. Hope you have a good Easter. And yeah, this is 1.5 litres of Diet Coke. Mentos challenge was a fucking fail. And I'm going to try drink a lot of this down and have a fat ass burp. Sorry about my hair, by the way guys, it's completely fucked. Just got out of the shower. But yeah, I'm going to try chug this like a bitch. Let's go.
Remember guys, I cannot burp. Try not to burp. This is fucking bad for me. Very bad for me. Sorry about the audio guys. Something fucked up with the iPhone that I got. Don't buy refurbished iPhones, okay? I think this is harder because obviously like quite a bit of it Pepsi, like that much of it Pepsi. But yeah, still go try the Mentos Coke cans before. Fucking disaster.
I hate this feeling in my stomach. You need to burp, but then you can't. See if we can get a few more burps in. Oh yes, yummy. Where the fuck are the other burps? I can't feel any more. Quite a lot of this. The burp's not even that good. To be fair, I reckon I could finish this right now, but I've already burped, so I can't continue. Not the best burp. Where the good burps? But fucking shit burps. Let's face it, guys. Fucking fail. Oh, you're right, Dad. Fucking fail. I got challenge once again. As the burps are really shit. But yeah, like broadcasting it. Subscription is quite worthy. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Come on, you could never call it wrong. That's why we put our hearts in the song. I see some women looking fly in the distance.